Keep coming back, slowly. All right, hold it right there. And stop. You're good to go.
Coconuts roll along the conveyor toward the processing tower in a steady stream.
Mechanical scoops efficiently move the coconuts to the primary belt for cleaning.
Every batch of coconut meat is tested for perfect moisture before processing. Dehusked coconuts move toward the cracking station, ready for shredding. Shredded coconut drains on the mesh belt, leaving pure white meat behind. Pure white, desiccated coconut flakes collect in the bin, ready for pressing. Compressed coconut fiber heads to recycling for sustainable reuse. Coconut husks are dried at high temperature for complete processing. Thick soap base begins its journey into the main mixing vat. Workers carefully move the brown compound into the next processing stage. Sodium hydroxide powder is added carefully to begin saponification.
Look at the turbulence here. The sheer power of this vortex ensures a perfectly homogeneous blend every single time.
Milky white soap base fills the primary collection vat from multiple pipes.
More orange-yellow soap mixture pours into the steaming stainless tank. Yellow soap spreads evenly across the rotating cooling rack for perfect texture. The sample is checked against detailed chemical graphs for quality assurance. Massive yellow soap base fills the rectangular floor vat from above. Thick yellow soap base pours through the funnel into the churning mixer. Multi-arm mixer blends thick brown soap paste with powerful rotation.
The pH test strip turns deep blue, confirming the soap's alkalinity level. Brown liquid drips into the base, creating beautiful white reaction plumes. Operator activates the next mixing stage with a single green button press. Fresh white soap noodles travel along the conveyor toward the next station.
High-speed blade whips the white soap base into a thick, swirling vortex.
Dark brown extract blooms dramatically into the churning white soap mixture.
white soap noodles cascade from high-pressure nozzles onto the moving conveyor. White soap pellets accumulate rapidly inside the large circular storage bin.
Precision blades slice the wide soap sheet into long, uniform vertical strips.
High-speed blade chops noodles into small, uniform, cylindrical white pellets.
The tablet shows a 98% consistency rate on the pellets.
Excellent, the new system is working well.
White soap pellets cool rapidly inside the misty high-speed tunnel.
Two large pipes pour massive white soap base into the factory vat symmetrically.
White soap pellets pour into the vat for the final fragrance addition stage.
Orange soap liquid coats thousands of small white soap beads in the cooling tray. Bright pink soap liquid blends into white base, creating beautiful pink swirls.
And here we have it, the perfectly blended pink soap paste, ready for the next stage of production. Keep an eye on the consistency right there. Yeah. It looks stable, the pressure levels are optimal.
Large paddle mixer blends layered pink soap dough with visible, colorful swirls. Precision cutter trims the edges of the moving pink soap slab perfectly. Mechanical blade scrapes refined pink soap shavings from the high-speed roller.
Mechanical blade scrapes pink soap shavings cleanly into the steel collection hopper.
High-pressure die head extrudes uniform pink soap cubes with perfect geometric precision. Heavy hydraulic stamp presses the coconut's logo deep into the pink soap block. Tensioned wires slice the large white soap block into clean, uniform cubes. Powerful stamp presses the final coconut's logo deep into each pink soap bar. Laser-guided machine cuts and brands pink soap bars with perfect precision.
Oval white soap bars receive beautiful pink floral patterned wrapping.
Hundreds of pink-wrapped soap bars head toward final boxing stations. Robotic arms stack and wrap finished soap boxes onto pallets for shipping.